Hey guys, a very pleasant evening to one and all. So today I will be discussing upon the ways to improve your vocabulary, and I will be discussing some of the things which needs to be focused upon by you, so that you can grasp the knowledge of vocabulary much faster, and you can learn new words more passionately and fastly. Fine. So, the first thing I would suggest is to read the newspaper. You don't need to go into the detailed version, but only just read the front page. The and front page means that just read around like 4 to 5 articles. I think in the front page it is 8 to 9. You can read about 3 to 4 articles as okay. And whatever words you are coming across which you don't know, just mark those words on the paper only with the help of a pen or pencil, whatever you have, and then write it in your rough copy. Fine. uh, by this I mean that make a copy of vocabulary power, okay, a separate copy. Just write the word with the meaning along with synonym, okay, synonyms. You can also mention the synonyms, and then frame the sentence in your own words. uh, okay, are you all getting my point? So this is the main thing which needs a huge emphasis. And second thing could be to the to go through the thesaurus version and explore the new and different words, varied words, okay, which you don't know, and try to speak those words in your daily life. Like if you're talking to your any friend, relative in neighborhood, family, anyone. So just make use of those words in a in a more passionate manner, okay, and in more learned manner. Yes, whenever you seek or come across a thing, just try to learn that thing, because when you will learn, you will definitely understand that whatever you have been reading, it's much beneficial for you only and only when you are doing a critical reasoning of it or critical thinking of that thing. Okay, search more and more, explore new and more words. Okay, just as simple as that. Fine. So only two things which I want to suggest is read newspaper only the front page, not no need to go into the detailed version. And second is download a thesaurus and explore the new words there also. Perfect. So for today I think this is the most important thing which I needed to discuss after completing all the, like, words starting from A to Z, and we have completed those. Now we will be moving forward to the other alternatives or exercises on which you can improve your vocabulary. Yeah. So till now, so for now, thank you so much for listening to this video, for viewing this video, and stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also tap the bell icon, okay, given beside this subscribe option, so that you can get a regular update or notifications regarding my videos which will be coming. Okay, I will be trying to upload as much as possible, so that it can be of much help to you. Okay, so thank you.